Elevate your ARIYA's lighting and style with accessories from Nissan. Your ARIYA welcomes you and lights your path. Stylize it. Protect it. Set the mood. Fine-tune the vibe. Express yourself with style that cuts through darkness and stands out. Imagine what's possible. Make your ARIYA even smarter and more secure. Help protect yourself from the unexpected with technology that stays on watch, like a virtual eyewitness that can help keep a record in case of a collision. Whether you're driving or parked, even watching out when you're not there, it can help capture footage of break-ins or hit-and-runs. Let technology unlock ARIYA. Your smartphone is now your key. Share access with friends and family. Track usage. Enable start. And more. Keys redefined. Keys on your terms. Adventure is calling. Gear up and go. Pack smart. Carry your gear up top. And your bikes out back. Spend less time packing and more time exploring. Make adventuring easy. Make your ARIYA as tough as you. As versatile as you. Ready for almost anything. Ready to chase adventure. Let loose and play hard. But don't forget, leave no trace. Every adventure needs a base camp. Personalize it with Nissan selected, Nissan approved parts and accessories.